Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Today, we have a very important topic. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, this is one of the most common questions in English.
Exactly. You hear it in interviews, in class, and when meeting new people.
And sometimes it's a little difficult to answer.
Don't worry, today we will make it easy, and we will also correct mistakes.
That's right. So you can learn the right way to speak.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, Daniel, let's start. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Paul. From USA.
Good try, but let's correct it. My name is Paul. I am from the USA.
Ah, yes. My name is Paul. I am from the USA.
Perfect. Daniel, where do you live?
I live in Big City.
Almost correct. Say, I live in a big city.
I live in a big city.
Great. How old are you?
I am 25-year-old.
Small mistake. Say, I am 25 years old.
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am teacher.
Add a. I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
Good. Now a student example. I am a student. I study English. What do you like to do?
I like play football and watch movie.
Let's fix it. I like to play football and watch movie.
I like to play football and watch movies.
Tell me about your family.
I have one brother and one sister. My brother is engineer.
Good. Just one change. My brother is an engineer.
My brother is an engineer.
Now let's make a full answer.
Okay. My name is Paul. I am from the USA. I live in a big city. I am 25 years old. I am a teacher. I like to play football and watch movies.
Excellent.
Remember, keep your answer simple.
Yes, you don't need big sentences.
Short and clear is best.
Let's do one more example.
Okay.
Hi, tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I am from the USA. I am a student. I like cricket and watching YouTube.
Perfect. That's a great answer. Now it's your turn.
Go to the comment section and write your name, your country, your hobby.
We hope this video helps you speak English better.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Through Talks.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.